Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you about HTML attributes. What are the HTML attributes? We cover all things. So guys, first of all I will go to the VS Studio Code and open this. If you don't know about these things or you cannot understand these things, then watch my previous lectures. So where you can find that, you can go to my YouTube channel Iron Tech and go to playlist section, and there is a playlist called HTML course, so you can watch the whole lectures. So I create a new folder, new file name 03. I give numbering because I want to save my files in order. So the file name is html attributes .html. .html is the extension of HTML, so that's it. So what are the HTML attributes? Let's talk about. All HTML elements have some attributes. HTML attributes provide some additional information about HTML elements, and we can write or specified HTML attribute in HTML start tag, in start tag of HTML element. And also it works on name value pair or key value pair. What are these? I will do this thing practical so you can easily understand this. So let's get started. Cover our first point. All HTML elements have some attributes. So I show you. I open p tag and here I write my name is John. Okay. After that, the first point is that every HTML element has attribute. So here is the attribute like style. I want to change the color of the text, but first of all we will save this and let's see how it shows in the browser. So I come in the HTML practice and folder and open this file, and you can see the name is in black color. So I want to change this, so I give it attribute which is style attribute, style, and here I mention color, and I want to like blue color. Okay. So when I press control plus S, it is saved, and when I go to browser, so it is not changed. When we made some changes in the document and saved, we have to press refresh button to see the changes. So my name is John, as you can see it is in blue color. So let's explore one more example. I copy this text, same text, and I want to change background color. So I give again style attribute and I write here background color. As you can see it gives me suggestions, and I want to background color aqua. So I press control plus S and go to browser and press the refresh button, and you can see it appears a text which background color is aqua. So this is the style attribute. You should practice it and give different colors and different explore different properties of attributes, style attributes. So we will do one last thing, and which is link. We give a tag. A tag is for the link, and here I write Google. I write here click here for Google. Okay. I copy the Google link from here, and there is an attribute named href, which is in which I put a link, and it will redirect me towards google.com. So that's it. I press control plus S. You must have you must press control plus S when you made changes in your document, otherwise it will not show in browser. So I press refresh button and you can see there is a link, click here for Google. I click on this and you can see it redirects me towards the google.com. So these are the some attributes. So that's it for today, and that's it for HTML attributes. In future we will study more attributes. So if you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.